Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a good spring break. I'm going to go over 34 preparation. So I'm going to do number 2. Number 1, just be careful, it might only have one x-intercept. So just make sure you follow the steps on the left-hand side. So the right-hand side for number 2, you're doing the same steps. I already did the factored form for you. So just be careful when you solve this factored form right here. For this one right here, I have x plus 5 equals 0, so my x-intercept right here would be at negative 5. And then when you set this one equal to 0, a lot of you guys are forgetting to do that last step. So I have to subtract 7 from both sides. So I have negative x is negative 7, and then divide by negative 1. So my x-intercept is also at positive 7. Okay, so please be careful with that. So you have x equals negative 5 and x equals 7 as your x-intercepts. So next part, your axis of symmetry, be careful because let me do it in red. So it's x is equal to negative b over 2a. Oops. So just be careful. It's going to be x is equal to negative 2. That's the 2 is my b. Over 2 times negative 1. That a is negative, or the a it's negative 1. So negative 2 divided by negative 2. So my axis of symmetry here is x equals 1. So once I get my axis of symmetry, be careful because now you have to get your vertex. So I have y equals negative 1, and then I plug in that 1. Okay, so squared, sorry, squared, and then it's plus 2 times 1, and then it is plus 35, yeah, plus 35, plus 35. So please be careful because this is 1 squared is 1, so you should have negative 1 plus 2 plus 35. Okay, so your vertex, when you get this, should be at 1, and what is that, 36. Okay, so please be careful with that. And then y-intercept, just remember you have to plug in 0 for your x. All right, hope all is well.